Hi guys, I am Ishwarya and welcome back to Artistic Goals. So today we are doing a really exciting video. We are gonna be doing a watercolor portrait today. You might be asking whose portrait it's gonna be. So it's gonna be her portrait. Which you will ask? She is mostly sane, aka Prajakta Koi, and I'll be coloring her with my watercolor from Camlin. Let's see how it goes. Hello, voiceover Aisha here. I started out with the rough sketch or whisk sketch, we can say, and then I lightened it with eraser and took my watercolors. Obviously, I am loving drawing portraits with watercolor lately, and that's what I'm gonna do here as well. I'm gonna color it with watercolors. And don't worry, I'm not gonna make her like Simpsons colored. This is just first layer of watercolor, and watercolor need a lot of layers. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot of layers. You will understand in this video what I mean. After that, I would like to touch on the subject of drawing portraits in my life. So, I have been enjoying drawing portraits like from beginning, but obviously they were not this good like a few years back. I used to draw people and they used to not even look like him at all. And second of all, those used to be black and white portraits or graphite portraits. And I am drawing watercolor portraits a lot now. This is like thing of 2020 now. Like whenever I am bored or in bad mood or don't know what to draw, I start drawing portraits. I don't know why it is like that, but I enjoy drawing portraits so much these days. And I cannot stress this enough that I love doing layers and layers and layers of watercolor on top of each other for these portraits. So normally what I do when I am drawing portraits, I take a photo from Pinterest, take it as inspiration or reference sometimes, and draw it as it is in my sketchbook. But this time I wanted to draw someone like I follow on social media or I really like their content, and first name popped out was Mostly Sen, aka Prajakta Koi. She is from India as well. She speaks in Hindi, which makes me connect to her even more because if you don't know, my mother tongue is Marathi, then second language is Hindi, and then third language is English. And I really love her content, her jokes, her humor, and to be honest, she's like inspiration for a lot of people. She has such a big YouTube channel now, millions of followers and subscribers. She is really a good example. So I started searching for her pics. Obviously, there were so many to choose from. She's so beautiful, but this one stood up from rest of them for me because of that pose and that her iconic smile and those dimples. I wanted to draw it, so I immediately started with it when I found that picture. You must have seen me starting off with yellow color. Uh, like you might be confused like why did I start with yellow color. So this is a process where I don't know if many people do that, but I have seen few of them do this process which I am following right now. So I start up with yellow color wash and then build up skin color on top of it with pink color layers. Actually, I used to do like mix up skin color beforehand and then color it. but I like this process more than the skin color one. This allows me to do any last minute changes if I want to do with skin tone, and I find it more easy to do shadows and build up the darkness or lightness of the skin in this process more than the first process I mentioned. Obviously, I am not at all professional in like watercolors nor in portraits, but I think in few years I have improved my portrait skills a bit, and I am looking forward to even making them better now. And obviously, when I am doing voiceover, this drawing is complete, and I love this portrait, how this turned out, and especially her smile. Oh my god, her smile looks just like her own unique smile. I don't know if you have ever noticed her dimples and her smile. That is really beautiful, and I think it looks really cute in the portrait as well. And actually, I know why people like to draw celebrity portraits or the portraits of people they like, because it gives a different kind of satisfaction. Trust me, I have experienced it now, and I want to create more of these portraits. And by the way, here I am testing if pink color layers on that blue color, but no, unfortunately it didn't. But I found out the solution for that at the end, so stay tuned for it. And by the way, I added those rougey blushy cheeks on her because when I observed that picture, she had cute red cheeks, and I couldn't resist, and I did them. I might have gone a little overboard, but it looks cute. I'm okay with it. Okay, yeah, so this is my solution for that problem. I busted out my colored pencils from Staedtler, and those worked really well, I would say, and they saved the day. By the way, if you are feeling like drawing that pattern on a whole dress would be really boring, oh my god, you are so wrong, because it was really fun and therapeutic. I just had to copy the pattern from the picture, and it was really therapeutic experience. If you would have told myself a year or 2 years back to draw such kind of patterns on dresses, I would have get bored so much. But these days I am enjoying drawing patterns and intricate details. I have been watching mostly Sane's content for years now, and I don't know what it is, but her videos always make me laugh. I mean, obviously, her videos are comedy or entertainment kind of videos, but I don't normally get that impressed with someone or someone's personality or comedy or humor, I would say. But I really love her videos, and I always see myself watching her videos whenever I am bored or whenever I need laugh in my life. And I would suggest you to check her content out. I mean, obviously, if you know Hindi and understand it, it will be even better because her content is in Hindi. With colored pencils, I also did some touch-ups on the skin. I just needed more contrast in it. With that being said, we are reaching the end. Here is the final product and comparison of real photo and her photo. What do you think? I really liked this portrait. I enjoyed it a lot, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If so, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notifications. Also, whom should we draw next? Let me know in the comments down below. With that being said, I have to go now. Here are some videos and playlists you might enjoy. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.